Coco Run. Yeah, this is Independence Square. This is Independence Square coming up on your just ahead of us. Independence Square was also built by Dr. Kwame Nkrumah for us to celebrate our Independence Day. To celebrate our Independence Day, which was 6th of March 1957. Now, to precede that, on the 5th of March, that is around 12 midnight, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah pronounced the name and then the independence of Ghana at where we were. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah's Memorial Park, yes. We saw the podium. And then on the 6th of March, we had Independence Day celebration here.
Nice shot. Okay,
yeah. Now, look at the cenotaph. On top of it, we have freedom and justice embossed at the top, and then AD 1957. But on top of the AD 1957, we have a black star, and black star was introduced by Marcus Garvey, the Black Star Line, because it became the lodestar of Africa as the shining star of Africa. So Ghana also adopted it, and that's what we have it in our flag. When you see our flag, we have red, gold, green, and black star in the middle of the gold.
That's right.
It's not yellow, it's gold.
Say that.
Now, it means something. The red represents the blood of those who toil for the nation, who lay down their lives.
Say that.
The gold represents the amount of gold that we have in our land that God has given to us. Ghana is full of gold. I remember when I was a kid, my grandmom told me that you don't sweep at night. When you sweep at night, you'll be sweeping some gold away. And it's true, gold at that time, gold dust can be collected from the surface of the earth. Even now, at some places, it happens.
Yes.
And then the green is our vegetation. The green is our vegetation. The black star, I've already explained, is the lodestar of African freedom. Now, the Independence Square, the Black Star Square, is where in 1996, then the president, then the president of US, President Bill Clinton, when he came to Ghana, this is where he was host. And people from Ivory Coast, that is another country, Burkina Faso, Niger, all of them tripping to have a glimpse of the only live president at that time that have ever visited West Africa.